So in this Wealthsimple tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy PepsiCo stock, ticker symbol PEP in Canada here on Wealthsimple. So once you have Wealthsimple open up on your device, I go to the bottom left and press on the magnifying glass. Then on the Discover screen, go to the search bar at the top and simply type in ticker symbol PEP for Pepsi. So there you go, PepsiCo Inc. The first option right here, press on that. Now, if you wanted to invest in the PepsiCo, press on buy here at the bottom. And now we're actually on fractional buy. If you wanted to change that into market buy or whatever, simply press on fractional buy. And now you have the option to market buy, limit buy, stop limit buy, or recurring buy, whatever you guys want. But type in the amount that you want as well. So I'll just do $1 for this demonstration. Now keep in mind, this is in US dollars, so there will be a conversion over to Canadian dollars once the purchase is finalized. But press on continue when you're done. Now to confirm your purchase and confirm your order, go to the bottom and press on confirm order. But first, as you can tell, the cost here is $1 USD, but the estimated cost in Canadian dollars is $1.36 after the estimated exchange rate and the 1.5% conversion fee. But that is how you guys can buy PepsiCo stock, ticker symbol PEP in Canada here on Wealthsimple. I hope this video helps.